Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into Python for data science, covering key concepts and simple code examples to get you started. Python is the perfect language to explore data science because it's flexible and packed with useful libraries. We'll show you how to set up Python in Visual Studio Code, work with basic data structures, and explore essential libraries for data analysis. Let's get started. To start, you'll need Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from python.org. During the installation, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This will make it easier for Visual Studio Code to recognize Python. Once Python is installed, open Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, and install the Python extension. This extension provides features like syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and debugging. With Python installed and the extension added, let's open a new Python file in VS Code and begin coding. This setup allows you to work on data science projects efficiently within a single environment. Let's start with some basics. In Python, you can store data in variables, which hold different types of data like numbers, text, and lists. Let's create some variables to see this in action. In this example, x is an integer, name is a string, and numbers is a list. Variables in Python don't need a specific data type declaration, so you can assign values directly. Using the print function, we can display these values in the terminal. Python's flexibility with data types makes it easy to experiment and adapt code. Data science in Python often involves working with two main libraries, NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is excellent for numerical operations, while Pandas helps organize and analyze data in tables. Let's start by installing these libraries. Open the terminal in VS Code and type pip install NumPy Pandas to install these libraries. Once installed, we can import them with standard aliases np for NumPy and pd for Pandas. Now, let's create a simple NumPy array and a Pandas data frame to see how they work. Here's an example of creating an array using NumPy. Arrays are efficient for handling large data sets and numerical calculations. Pandas makes it easy to create and work with tables. This data frame has columns for name, age, and score, similar to a table in Excel. With a single command, you can view the entire data frame, which is ideal for data analysis in rows and columns. Now, let's load a dataset and do some basic exploration. Here, I have a CSV file containing sales data, which will load into a Pandas data frame. Using pd.read CSV, we can load data directly into a data frame. Let's view the first few rows. The head function shows the first 5 rows, perfect for quick inspection. Pandas also has info and describe functions, which provide more insights. Info gives a summary of columns and data types, while describe provides statistical summaries like mean and max values. These functions are essential for understanding your dataset before diving into analysis. In data science, filtering data is a common task. Let's filter our data to show only total revenue greater than 200. This command creates a new data frame called high sales with only the rows where total revenue is greater than 200. Pandas also makes sorting easy. Let's sort the data by unit sold in descending order. This command arranges the data by unit sold with the highest values first, essential for organizing data effectively. Data visualization is key in data science, and Matplotlib is a great library for this. First, let's install it. With Matplotlib installed, let's create a bar chart to visualize total revenue by date. Now let's plot the data. This bar chart quickly visualizes total revenues by dates, making patterns easy to spot. Let's wrap up with a simple analysis example, calculating the average sales amount. Using mean, we quickly find the average sales amount. This value is useful for understanding overall sales performance. This analysis can guide data-driven decisions and improve insights into your dataset. And that's a wrap on our introduction to Python for data science. We covered the basics of variables, data manipulation, and visualization, all using Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content on Python and data science. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.